Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to really delete your Twitter account. People may desire to close their Twitter accounts for certain reasons, so how do you permanently delete your Twitter account? Here is the process of deleting Twitter account with detailed explanation, so keep watching. So you decided that you are no longer comfortable using Twitter, or you have decided that you really do need to halt the spread of that embarrassing tweet that you posted. Well, the good news is that it's entirely possible to permanently delete your account. It is also really simple to do, but once you know. All you need to do is just follow these steps and keep watching the video. But we have this warning here. You have to be aware. Every click, every share, and every download can be and is tracked and stored and sold by app creators, internet service providers, and telecom companies. The only solution, only a VPN like NordVPN can protect you and prevent these third parties from collecting and selling your sensitive data. You really don't want that your all of the clicks that you have done till this day, you don't want them to be stored, do you? So, how to delete your Twitter account? We have few steps we have to follow. So, step 1 is sign into Twitter, just like I did. As you can see, this is my profile. And this needs to be done with the full site rather than the Twitter app, as the app doesn't include the deactivating link. But when you do it from your website, when you do it from your desktop, it's just so easy. And step 2 is go to settings and privacy. To go to settings, we're going to click here and then we're going to click settings privacy. As we can see here, we're going to go to account, which is already here. So as you can, we're going down, 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 down. You have seen, yes, this is what we need. What we got to do is clicking here, deactivate my account. And you have to confirm your decision. At this point, you are redirected to a confirmation page. If you're sure that you want to go ahead with removing your account, then you have to click this deactivate button at the bottom of the message. And then when you do this, you have to put on your password. Once you do this, you're now taking this page and to double check that you really want to delete your account. To confirm that you want to take this action, you have to enter your password and click deactivate right here. So I'm not going to deactivate my account, but this is the way to do it. And after this, the step 6 that you're going to be taking is uninstalling the app when if you're using your phone, if you're using your tablet, like you're using your Twitter not only in desktop, but also in those places, in those devices. So you have to uninstall the app because you cannot deactivate your account from the app, but accidentally clicking on the app will just reverse the deactivation process. Within the first 30 days after you have chosen to deactivate your account, the best thing to do not to fall into that deep again, because if once you go into your account, the whole process is being deleted actually. So the best course of action is to remove the app from your iPad, iPhone, or Android devices. And step 7, this is one of the most important steps. You should not log into your account for 30 days. You're almost there, but it is crucial to note that again that there is a 30-day deactivation period. So if during this time you log into your account and or any apps or services that are integrated with Twitter, you will find that your Twitter account is no longer deactivated. You'll need to go through the same process again. Yes, it is so simple to do, but you have to do it again and from a desktop. So the best way to avoid this is to go through all your apps and services and disconnect them from your Twitter account. You might have signed up with your Twitter or anything like that. You have to undo them. So, yes, this is time consuming, but it is very necessary to ensure that your deactivation becomes permanent to safeguard your privacy. So, once you complete these 7 steps and avoid logging in 30 days, it might sound long, but yes, it is a bit. But if you actually decided, yes, you can stay away from it, your account is gone for good. And also, this includes all of your contacts, and any direct messages that you have sent or received. As I told you in the beginning, this is deleting your account permanently and really deleting it. So you're deleting everything, every favorites, every tweet that you have favorited, every tweet that you retweeted, every message that you received or sent, all of them will be gone. However, as with most other services, any information shared on other pages or with other people through direct messaging still exists on receiver's end. Yes, they are not going to be showing on your page, even that you're the one you're receiving the messages. You will not see any of the messages again since you have deleted your account, but they will be able to still see it. This is important to note because if you're hoping to wipe off all of the traces of an embarrassing conversation, and if this is the reason that you're deactivating your account, there's no need for that because they can still see those messages. And it may not be possible unless the other person is willing to delete the information or deactivate their account as well. So do keep that in mind. And if you have any question about this Twitter thing or about this video or about anything else that comes to your mind related to technology apps, you can ask me on below this video on the comments, and I will be back there and I will be replying, answering your questions happily. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you have liked it, give me those thumbs up. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, do so. Yes, hit that button. It's right there. So just one click. Thank you for watching. See you.